One person has asked if he or she is from a non-engineering college, will the person clear UPSC? Uh, I would like to say this to you all, friend to friend, that UPSC is one of the most rational body, and the set of people in UPSC are mostly very rational. They do not judge you based on your background, based on your color, your religion. Overall, we can say that they do not judge you by your gender or even your college. It is about what you, when I think you are referring to uh, in the prelims and main stage, it is about the effort that you put, the correct strategy that you follow. If you are able to do all of this correctly, then definitely you can pass the uh, pass both these stages. When it comes to interview stage, if a person is being discriminated based on their college, I don't think UPSC does that. Though they have all the details in front of them, no question was asked to me or the people I know about with the questions that had reference to their colleges, their academic background. I don't think that matters so much in UPSC. It is about what you say and communicate with them verbally and non-verbally. In one of the interview orientation class, I go to know that what matters is what you say, not what you are, not what you have done, or not what you have written in your DAF. What you say matters 90 percentage, and only 10 percentage is the rest of the things matters only 10 percentage. So do not worry about that. If you are a person who is willing to dedicate your time to prepare for this examination, and if you are keen on, if you have enough motivation, and if you're keen on cracking this examination, you can give it a try. Do not keep these kind of prejudices in the back of your mind. I hope I have clarified that.